Let's talk about the Cropbytes Conquest game brief. Battles are on! It's a race to win and build a dominion. Book of Nova. Within the enchanting world of Nova Islands, peace is never guaranteed. It's a realm of relentless conflict. Prepare for fierce battles as you safeguard your territories against rival players seeking to loot your essence points. Cropbytes Conquest is an exhilarating sequel to the popular Cropbytes farming game, boasting a player base exceeding 800,000. While Cropbytes farming tests your skills and strategy in virtual farming, Cropbytes Conquest invites you on an epic journey to become a true hero. Embark on an extraordinary journey in the Cropbytes Conquest. In this world, you'll become the owner of diverse biomes, including landscape, rocks, grasslands, and forests, each with a unique role in maintaining the world's delicate balance. These biomes are home to dedicated heart creatures, tirelessly working to produce precious resources. In the initial release, the gameplay mode available will be Battles, focusing on essence points. In consecutive releases, a world-building, simulation, RTS gameplay will also be introduced. Assets and Elements 1. 1.1 Superheroes. Superheroes are. Previously known as companions in Cropbytes farming, superheroes use their magic to enhance agricultural yields. In Cropbytes Conquest, these mystical beings have transformed into valiant defenders, protecting the territories of players. Their powers now shine in safeguarding these lands. 1. 1.2 Biomes. These hexagonal island tiles come in 5 types: grassland, water, building, forest, and landscape. In the battlefield, these biomes are randomly positioned, providing players with strategic advantages. In the world-building gameplay, you will see hearts living in these biomes, generating resources from it. 1. 1.3 Hearts. Hearts are mystical beings from a distant world who have moved to the Nova Islands after their home planet was destroyed. They are industrious, loyal creatures whose life purpose is to work the land and generate resources like essence points. Hearts cannot be acquired or sold. They automatically inhabit a biome as soon as they are placed in the environment. 1. 1.4 Essence Points. In Phase 1, you will be able to gather essence points by winning battles. These essence points can be used to mine or trade biomes. In the word building gameplay, the hearts will provide you with essence points as you build your environment of biomes. Game overview. In Cropbytes Conquest, there are 2 main gameplay modes: Battles and World-Building Expansion. Battles. The primary objective in battles is to outsmart and conquer your adversary by either destroying their home tile or defeating their superhero on the battlefield. Manage your superhero's health and mana, collect resource boxes, and acquire potent damage cards to gain the upper hand. Beta of the PvP gameplay will be live by Feb end. Triumph in battles to accumulate essence points, which will be instrumental in mining biomes for the forthcoming expansion building gameplay. This new gameplay mode will be unveiled in the following months, where biomes and hearts will assume pivotal roles. The expansion building gameplay will be live by mid-2024. Battle Mechanics. The game mechanics of Hexagon Game are rooted in a dynamic hexagonal grid system, where superheroes can move strategically across the battlefield by traversing hexa tiles in any of the 6 directions. The mana system governs the availability of resources, starting at 1 mana in the first round and incrementally increasing up to a cap of 10 by the 10th round. Combat unfolds through 3 distinct abilities: melee, ranged, and ultimate, each with varying mana costs, damage potential, and cooldown periods. Players also engage in tactical decision-making by selecting grid patterns for their superheroes' attacks. The game's core mechanics emphasize strategic positioning, efficient resource management, and the timely deployment of powerful abilities to secure victory in dynamic battles. Objective. The objective of the battles is to accumulate essence points, which can later be used to create new biomes. Check how you can do it. Defeat the opponent's superhero by reducing HP to 0. Destroy the opponent's home tile for automatic victory. Card advantage. Strategic use of cards can lead to victory. Strategic maneuvering. Use superhero abilities and positioning for success. Mana management. Efficient use of superheroes' mana is vital. Random mana and card generation. Dynamic environment with random resources. Rules of the game. Biome benefits. Temporary advantages based on the biome entered. Reshuffled every 5 turns. Maximum mana, default 10. Varies based on superhero type, 8 to 10. Turn timer, 30 seconds for decision-making during a turn. Mystery box, spawns every 5 rounds, providing unique card abilities. It will unlock powerful cards, reshaping gameplay. Actions. Card system. The game incorporates a dynamic card system divided into 3 sets: offensive ability, defensive cards, and support utility cards. Each card within these sets possesses unique attributes, including type, attack damage, energy cost, and bonus effects. Players strategically select and play cards during their turns to gain an advantage in battles. The diverse range of cards introduces tactical depth, allowing players to adapt their strategies based on the evolving game state. Combat abilities. Hexagon Game features a diverse set of combat abilities for superheroes, including melee, ranged, and ultimate attacks. Melee abilities offer close combat options with lower mana costs and shorter cooldowns, suitable for immediate actions. Ranged abilities provide flexibility, allowing superheroes to attack opponents from a distance with moderate power and cooldowns. Ultimate abilities, the most powerful, require significant mana and boast longer cooldowns, but can have game-changing impacts. Players must strategically deploy these abilities, considering their unique properties, to outmaneuver and defeat opponents on the hexagonal grid. Battle tiles. Home tile. Victory in battles hinges on destroying the opponent's home tile. Home tiles have their own health points, HP, representing their durability and defense. Biome tile. Similar to superheroes, biome tiles have their health points, HP, signifying their durability and resilience against attacks. Resource collection. Maps may feature resource tiles or resource-generating structures. Players can gather these resources to gain advantages in the match. Resource collection may also involve capturing specific hexagonal tiles to gain control over valuable map areas. Normal tile. These are empty tiles where superheroes can stay for a maximum of 2 rounds. They offer no power-ups and lack health bars. Battle cards. Battle cards serve as the means to make moves within the game. Each battle card possesses a unique set of properties, including type, damage, cost, and bonuses. There are 3 types of battle cards. Offensive cards, used to launch attacks on opponent superheroes or their tiles. Defensive cards, employed to block or mitigate enemy attacks. Utility cards. These cards offer vital support and power-ups, such as mana restoration and interrupting the opponent's moves. World building, expansion gameplay. This gameplay will be introduced alongside Phase 2 of Cropbytes Conquest. The game features a hexagonal tile world with different biomes, each contributing uniquely to gameplay. Landscape biomes are crucial for constructing houses, roads and buildings, serving as a base for city or world development. Grassland biomes are vital for cultivating crops to feed the population. Rock biomes provide stone resources essential for construction and crafting. Water biomes are indispensable for providing water for the population and crop cultivation. Lastly, forest biomes are a primary source of wood, necessary for construction, crafting, and possibly as a fuel source. Each biome can produce resources or store hearts, and players can build various structures on them using essence points. Resources can be traded with other players. Economics. The game's economic system is centered around resource management, where players gather and utilize various resources like wood, stone, food, and water from different biomes. These resources are crucial for building structures, crafting biomes, and sustaining the heart population, which represents the workforce. Players accumulate essence points through gameplay, used for crafting new biomes and expanding their territory. The economy is also influenced by the well-being and productivity of the heart population, whose needs must be managed effectively. Additionally, environmental factors and dynamic challenges add complexity to resource management. Interactive elements like resource pooling, staking and trading with other players further enrich the economic experience, making strategic planning and adaptation key aspects of the game. Sneak peek. Imagine a system requiring players to connect a minimum hash of biome tiles to join a resource pool run by a smart contract to manage the staking and distribute rewards. Players can stake their tiles, which are locked during each staking cycle. Rewards are calculated and distributed based on the player's contributions. Additionally, there will be a map interface, similar to the Decentraland map, allowing players to view, place, and connect biome tiles.